are my black raven angels and they have never seen the squall. How are you? How are you doing? Like, if you guys are gonna be scared of leaves and pumpkins, you probably will be scared of white stuff flying around the air. Anyway, the winter door is on with the little window. And I think there's a chicken head inside. Oh, no, they're all out. The school. Let me see. Chicken heads. How y'all doing in the squall? How are the Inky Binky and Dinky show going on in the squall, in the snow? Your first time? What? Oh. What? Alright, I got snacks and they're going a little crazy. Hang on. Hang on one second. Here's Shmursh. Here comes the snacks. Here comes. Yay! Oh, come on. Guys, please. It's just the way it is. We're funny. Ah, look at the beautiful little snow. Hooray, we've got a little snow. Yay, looks so cute. With your heads. Ah, and the beautiful snow. You guys are so pretty. Oh, what's it gonna be like when it gets real snow, like a few inches? I think, I don't know. I don't know if they have, like, what the mix does to the traits of the Australorp, which are very cold hardy. So I don't know if these guys are as cold hardy. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, look how... Ooh, Katana. You magnificent turkey. Oh, my ravens. Hello, in the squall. No, they're scared of little sound I make. Aw, you poor guys. Like, I just walked over here and she went, oh God. Oh, guys, please. What am I gonna do with you? I knew you were supposed to have a mommy, but I don't want to talk about it. Bog was supposed, and then whatever. Okay, I tried, and now here you are. You have to get used to it. Here we go. See, we got 2 in the nesting box. This is a little nesting box, and I have found 3, so they have all made use of the nesting box. But yesterday or the other day, somebody was over here. It was Katana was over here, and Raven was in here, but nobody laid over here. There's only 2, and I'll be honest, I'm glad that many days I find 1 or 2 instead of 3, because maybe, just maybe, these are not sex links after all. Because the sex links, my red sex links, my OG6, they laid every single day. Maybe there was a couple of days a year they didn't lay. 6 eggs every single day. That's how they were bred. I'm not getting 3 from these guys every single day, which is hopeful to me. Or I don't know anything about it. Anyway, that's the story of the squall in the Shire farm. You alright, girl? Everybody's happy. Thank you, Jesus. Let's be thankful. Okay? We've got our blessings and the beautiful... That's Katana's egg. You can tell it's like a porcelain. It's shiny. I'm just making sure because she's standing there funny. Like, why is your butt like that? It goes on every day. What's wrong? What's this? What's happening? Are you okay? Are you egg bound? Why is your butt like that? Why are you shaking so tenderly and not normally? What's wrong? But here's her egg. Okay, so anyway, until it ends, there is no end. Ooh, ooh. Oh wow, that wasn't even the squall before. This is the real squall, boy. Woo! Well, it calmed down by the time I got out here, but look, there's snow on them. Oh, the snow chickens. Look, you guys, it's snow. Look, ooh, pretty. You have snow on you. Ah, that's so pretty. Welcome to winter, y'all. I have a feeling that this is their season. I have a feeling this is where they shine, where they own it. I think it's winter. We'll see. See ya.